This one brother just give me a whole heap of hope in the Jamaican people. Just when me think say all hope was lost. You hear me no man? This man make me believe in a ghetto people and believe in the people them who not in the higher echelons of society. One more time. In video kinda colorful, so viewers' discretion is advised.
First and foremost, good morning. Andrew wellness to you now. All the way you come chat to say that we used to blood clot that. I be a promise that. You see me? No chicks are for kids. And I further on if the kids them smart right now, cause you can't tell one kid say they could jump over a blood clot moon and them believe that. Like when time we small and for parents them tell we ain't any blood clotting and we jump with it and run with it. Them are youth are smarter than that. You see me? No come better bad man. All now do a pressure bomb buckler poor people bad man. No. And big speech. I give poor people big speech and big promise. You see me? I want to tell you the one thing of a blood clot uplift. The youth them in the slum. I do not fight blood clot down. And so look idiot batty boy artist about music and make Jamaica file. Jamaica file from 19 bomb clot 80. From Manly and blood clot. See you got bring much blood clot gun in our country. Me know not go want this to go far enough. You know cause truth, you know, you truth blood clot hurt, you know. You see me? You see me? You know what's the time for food no pussy? And we gonna get nothing. None. Me no bomb clot. My granny dead. A good thing she never and grandpitney a blood clot for him. And Pearl, Babsy, you know Miss Pearl, Babsy Green, yo, no blood clot, Miss Pearl and Jer. See how we build bomb clot and Labour Right Party in a Homestead. What we get? More and blood clot, bad man and run left from my people, kill out my generation. Pearl dead, Jer dead, Dalman dead, check it. Almost, yo, didn't think so we have food on it. You have to wise up. Warm up on the eyes. Make on the eyes up, youth. Stop making them come chicken away, then senseless blood clot talking. We have to them pitney and them blood clot two family with them rate and them cronies them. Them not enough away, but blood clot promise. Promise them a promise we night bomb class slum youth. Look on we now, eh? A farming I do you know. Farming, can we give up on bomb clot politician? Whoa, kuya, when me a deal with politics, me nah nothing. And when me start deal politics, me have cane, me have pumpkin, me have pepper, me have tomato, me have spinach. Lord man, me have bomb clot lettuce. Check it now, pop chow, check it callaloo, check it blood clot, yam, dash in, name ginger, name it sweet potato, could a gumbo, Christmas a blood clot come. Well, no, give me nothing. Nothing but blood clot promises for right, Not even a farmer to keep.
This is a happy moment because the Jamaican people finally understand and realize so we are get tricked year after year after year. We've been oscillate between the two major political parties. The two major colonial parties who support the colonial system given to us by our masters and I expect different results from them. Watch my last two videos and see what maybe not talk about. Saying we are realizing now that no matter who you put in a fucking power, you will never get a different result under this constitution. Make that sink in your bumbo clot ears. I mean, the man done bumbo clot up the video already, so makes sense me just bumbo clot up the rest. You see that? Now there's something we more identify, right? Him say, ever since him forget about government and government help, him now achieve something in a life. Him can see what him a work for. Bumbo clot. That powerful, you know? Because guess what? This is what the United Independence Congress been a talk about the handout. Because see them lick up free 5 grand and t-shirt and food or something where them can come give you. These are the things that keep us impoverished. So you now go feel like say you need to go out there go look your own. Really and truly, government is supposed to serve the people while the people fund the government. But on the Tony Bumbo clock thing round and have government to fund the people and I fund the people scraps. They don't fund me fucking scraps. I will sit down and die to talk about die hearted. I'm from me born me see JP, my daddy are the JP, my granny are the JP and PNP and the bumbo clock and I fall under the pressure you know. And if a pressure it take for you to wake up, let the pressure be. Because anyhow, we put back these two colonial parties in power. And this Jamaica go feel the blunt force of what politics is. Respect for your voice, my lord. This is it.